Now in national news, after 6 weeks of dramatic testimony, a jury reached a verdict in the Johnny Depp Amber Heard defamation trial. Both were found liable, but it was a bigger win for Depp today. The jury found Heard liable in every one of Depp's claims and ordered her to pay $15 million in damages. And in her countersuit against him, the jury found Depp liable for only one claim and ordered him to pay her $2 million. At the center of the trial were abuse allegations Heard made in a 2018 Washington Post article, and both testified their relationship became violent and abusive over time. This trial has sparked conversations about domestic abuse across the country, and News4JAX reporter Renee Beninati talked with a local advocate and joins us live tonight with her message and reaction to the verdict. Renee?
Mary, the advocate I talked to is a survivor of domestic violence. She believes that this trial opened up conversations about abuse, which affects so many people on a daily basis.
Question: the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer: yes.
A jury sided with Johnny Depp in the defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard after a lengthy trial in the national spotlight. The trial focused on whether Depp was emotionally and physically abusive towards her. Christina Meredith has been following the case closely. She's also an author, advocate, and survivor of abuse who now uses her experience to help others.
Me growing up being abused so horrendously by my biological mother, and how she tore our family apart by saying that my biological dad beat her and he didn't, and he went to jail for it.
The proceedings stemmed from a 2018 op-ed Heard wrote for the Washington Post, in which she described herself as a, quote, public victim representing domestic abuse. Depp wasn't specifically identified, but the article pointed to him.
It's not okay on both sides, and I agree that it was very clear from what I saw that there was dysfunction on both sides, abuse on both sides.
A jury found Heard defamed her former husband, finding her statements made were false and meant to cause harm. They also found that a statement one of Depp's attorneys made about Heard was defamatory.
There's a jury in there that read all the evidence and saw the evidence and made a decision, and I support that decision.
Heard responded on social media saying she was disappointed by the verdict, adding, quote, it sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. Depp also issued his own statement saying, from the beginning, his goal with this case was revealing the truth, adding, quote, I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. For a full recap of the court proceedings, head over to our website at news4jax.com. Reporting live, Renee Beninati, Channel 4, the local station.